Hey everyone, so it is December 31st. I got off work early today and I went and picked up some more slats for the walls and the ceiling. Oh, just flipped my camera around, sorry. And I'm about to start hammering away. This van is an absolute mess. It's a flipping mess, as you just saw in our last video. So right now I'm kind of stripping everything out. I've got a box of these crazy strong rare earth magnets. I'm hoping that they're strong enough that behind this 1/2-inch wood, we can have the magnets on the back of our phones and hang our phones on the wall next to our bed. I'm gonna give it a quick little test. I like to mark the spots on the wood. I've used this little scrap piece to mark where I need to cut, how high up the wall needs to go before the window. So from here up needs to be cut off the longer piece. And then I just held that piece up and made little marks to show roughly where I want it to, the sides to be for the window. I think this should work fine. We'll see what we get. I'm not really caring if it's gonna be a little ugly because we're gonna trim it out, so it'll be fine. So, yeah. So this beam here sticks out really far, so I'm gonna cover it with gray automotive carpet, and then we're gonna go ahead and build up the rest of the wall. I didn't want to leave you guys hanging after I screwed in that last ceiling board, so I just want to give you a quick overview of the rest of the van. I finished up these pieces right here. I messed up, I've still got to cut this little lip off here so we can put the finish ring in for the vent fan. And we have decided we're going to trim these corners out with the same carpet we used right here. We're just going to, I'm going to cut off these lips here, and then cut this one off. And then we'll pull these two pieces down on each corner and we'll put the carpet in. It'll give it a nice finished edge and kind of hide, make it prettier. Now, just a quick little overview of our camping setup. That we're gonna have a video next week of us going camping in southern Georgia. So we got our propane stove and oven, a little desk here I made out of some extra plywood. You can't really see, it's too dark in here. Our fridge and freezer, and then the 6-inch queen memory foam mattress we've got. And our van heater down there in the seat. Got the controller kind of hung up here. That's all I got for you guys this week. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. If you don't already, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next week. Thank you so much.